What's going on, everybody? I got something really cool in the mail today, and the company reached out to me, and y'all see that box right there with those letters CKG? That is a sand scoop, so for metal detecting in the water. Got this thing in the mail today. They want me to do a review on it, so stay tuned. We'll open this baby up. Alright, so got the box halfway open here. I appreciate them doing this. They actually reached out to me by email and just asked me if I'd be willing to do a review on it. And I got to remembering that this company also sells their products at Calico. So some of y'all actually have some of y'all actually have these sand scoops, and you've told me about it. So that's awesome. And so now I got a chance to have one myself. Oh man, they send me all kinds of stuff. CKG, you don't have to do this. Man, y'all crazy. Send me stuff. There's a hat. CKG ball cap. So that's pretty cool. Hey, they sent me a bag. A CKG Sandscoop bag. That's pretty cool. Thank you for doing that as well. That's pretty cool. I have to use that out in the field when I'm out in the metal detecting. And then here's actually what we're looking for. This right here is the scoop itself. Man, this thing's light. You know, I have the RTG scoop, and you know, I've done a review on that. If you haven't seen that, you can click right up there. I have the sand scoop that Nokta Makro sent me, and it's pretty good one too. It's a little heavy, and I've told y'all that it's a little bit heavy, but I've made do. I've done great with it. It does a good job. This one here seems to be lighter than both that I have. And just kind of gotta give kudos to the company. I mean, it's pretty awesome. They made a product that that looks like it works well. But yeah, it's got some little rough edges on it, which ain't no big deal. I ain't gonna be handling it anyway. But yeah, here's the name. Got the name there, CKG. So that's pretty cool. And but yeah, it looks like the holes are really small, and that's what I like about this as well. Got real small holes, so you have a less chance of losing, you know, even small stuff. Probably the only thing that may get through here is probably those little lead weights that you put on your fishing lures. But yeah, that's pretty cool. And of course it comes with a handle. Comes with a handle as well. And this is carbon fiber, so looks like it's 2 pieces. Curious to see how long it is. I think it's 2 pieces, so it's probably give me about 3.5 feet. That'd be awesome. I believe that Dig That Beep, John with Dig That Beep, reviewed one of these about a month ago on his channel. He got a much bigger channel than we do. He don't live, but I think he lives 1 county over from us. And I just never have gotten with him and done any metal detecting together. It's hard. My schedule, I'm not off on weekends much. I'm off 2 weekends a month, and the schedule I have is tough. Oh yeah, that's nice and light. Look at that. It's got the CKG on the handle there. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, it's got some hardware here on the end with a wing nut. Looks like these two go together like this. Pop it in place. Oh yeah, that's real. Oh yeah, that's real easy to push there. That button's real easy to push. Again, Calico sells these. Oh yeah, it's light, man. Like how light that is. That's gonna be nice. Now I'm telling you, you're thinking, man, it's already fall. How y'all gonna be able to get out there and get out there in the water and do any with detecting anymore? Well, I got waders, and I will get out there and do it. So the next video that I use this right here, I'll be in the water with it. And water's not real cold yet. I ain't real crazy about getting in cold water either. The air's cooling down too. I think the high today was 72, so it's getting really nice weather that we're having now. But yeah, you just stick that there nut in there like normal nut and bolt. Put this wing nut on it. Oh yeah. Get it good and tight. Oh man, that's light. That is so light. Look how big it is. That's as wide as that SP24 coil that I have, which is excellent. You use that coil and then stick this behind it and scoop up what your coil's going off on. So man, I'm looking forward to using this. The end right here, it's got a nice little rubbery type end or some kind of foam or something. Man, that is cool. CKG, thank you so much for sending me this. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'll give you the full specs on this thing in just a minute. I'll show you the length and I'll show you the weight. It's lighter than the Nokta Makro scoop, and I believe it's lighter. It may not be lighter than the other scoop, but man, that right there is heavy duty. I like how tall it is, because I mean it comes up to here on me, just on the ground. So excellent, excellent. That is awesome. So the next time you see me with this scoop will probably be next Tuesday's video, and we're gonna get out there in the lake, and I put my waders on if the water's too cool, and we'll go out there and find some stuff. And I'll do the dry sand, the wet sand, and we'll just see what we can find. There's one or two other beaches I haven't hit yet this summer. I've hit some way back there in April, but I haven't hit them since then. And here it is, the end of September now. So should be a couple things I can find in the ground. So let's go see what we can find very soon with this next Tuesday. So keep a lookout for that. If you like how this thing looks and you just want to purchase one, you can get that from Calico. And you can order that. I can't tell you what, I'll go ahead and throw it in the description down there, and a link down there for you to check that out and get more information on it. And you can get this for yourself. I know that it's getting cooler up here in these the northern hemisphere, and the water hunting is going to be, you know, it's going to start slowing down. But say, hey, you might want something for Christmas, or you might have somebody you want to buy something for Christmas, and this is what they're into, metal detecting on the beach, and this right here would do great for it. Hey, check out that hat. Yep, here's this thing. I took it out of the bag. It's got a zipper pocket right there for some, like maybe your good treasures. Actually, that's where all it goes. Yep. So has a, just unzip it, and there goes all your finds, and you can zip it up, so that way you can keep them in there and it won't fall out. That's pretty good. Good deal. And don't forget about Saturday's video. I've been moving a couple of my testing Tuesday videos to Saturdays, just because I've been stuck here at the house, and the days I want to go dig, it's been raining. So and then the days I want to go dig, I've been working. So I ain't been able to go dig. But anyway, hey, I hope you have a good day. God bless. We'll see you next time. And always remember to treat other people how you want to be treated.